Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Zoey from StarBeam. Grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, I'm going to start with two eyes. We're going to draw two ovals. And on the other side we will draw another oval as well. And inside we're going to draw two pupils. With light reflections. And from there, I want to draw two irises as well. And eyelashes. Let's fill the pupils in. Now right between the eyes, we're going to draw a little buttoned nose. And below that, I'm going to draw a smile. And we're going to make the smile a little bit open, her mouth. And we're going to draw some teeth. There we go, and a little tongue. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a little jawline. And now from the jawline, I'm going to draw a mask. So I'm going to draw on both sides a line straight up, another line straight up, just above the eye, and then at the bottom. Bottom of the mask, great. Now right on top we're going to start with the hair. Just one piece of hair standing like this. And then from this side, you're going to draw a curved line out and just past the mask. On this side, you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to go past the mask. Right. Now we can draw the top side of the mask. There we go. And there's the top part of the mask. Right. Now I just want to draw a little collar. And a little hook inside. There we go. There's a little collar behind the head or below the head. Now from both sides, I'm gonna draw the top of the head. You're gonna connect it to that side, and on this side, you're gonna do absolutely the same thing. Take it all the way around and connect it. Now sideburns, you're just gonna draw two triangles on the side of the head. And then we're going to draw a little ear with a little fold inside. Another ear, and you're going to draw a little fold inside there as well. Now, on top of the head, on both sides on top of the head, we're going to draw two ponytails. First I'm going to draw a little band that will hold our hair, and I'm just going to make a few half circles, and on this side, roughly about the same height, I'm going to do the same thing. So you can draw just these half circles, and now we're going to draw the ponytail. So I'm just going to draw a little some hair like this, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. There we go. And then on top, I'm going to make it nice and round for the hair to curve all the way around, connect it. And on this side, let's do the same thing as well. And I'm just going to make a few lines like that. And there we go, and there's the hair. Now we're going to start with the body. Now I'm going to draw the coat first, her coat first, and two lines going down. So you're just going to draw two lines on both sides. Bring it out and take it up. Just a little bit like this, 2 hooks. And then on top I'm going to draw the jacket. Like this. And on this side do the same thing. You're going to draw a jacket going back. And now we're going to start with the arms. You're going to draw a straight line down, another straight line on this side, and now we're going to bring it in, round, make it a curve round and bring it back to the arm on top. And on this side you're going to do the same thing. Make it nice and round, take it all the way back, connect it to the top. Then I'm going to do another line there and another line there. Now I'm going to draw the hands. So I'm just going to draw a few fingers. There we go, and there's one hand. Let's draw the other hand. There we go. And maybe just a small hand, finger there, and there's 2 hands. Now right above that I'm going to draw a little star. There we go, there's a star. And now for the torso. On both sides you're just going to draw the torso down there, and you're going to draw a belt. There we go. And then on top of the belt you're going to draw a little rainbow down. And now we're going to draw the little dress. 2 lines out, and now you can meet it. And now for the legs, I'm going to draw a straight line down, and then on both sides we're going to bring the shoes out. There we go, and there's the shoes. And now we're going to draw the outsiders of the leg. So I'm going to draw 2 lines out that curves in, and it's going to be very short, and then I'm going to connect it to the shoe at the bottom. And now we're going to draw the shoe. We're going to make 2 and we're going to do the same thing here, and we're going to draw the soles of the shoe as well. There we go, there's the soles, and now I'm going to draw 2 stars on the shoes. There we go. And now there's a cloak hanging on the side, so I'm just going to draw 2 lines, curvy lines out, and then I'm going to connect them with a wave. And there we go, and there's a little cloak, and on the side there's 2 openings in her jacket, and I'm just going to draw it right there. And there we go, and there's Zoey. Now you can take your crayons, your markers or your pencils, and you can color Zoey in. Look at my picture and try to match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. I'll see you soon. Bye.